We're here today looking at synthetic surfaces and the maintenance best practice. Synthetic surfaces is one of those topics which often doesn't get covered properly, and there's not a lot of information around online. So it's fantastic to be able to deliver this information directly to the sports clubs using and maintaining these facilities to ensure that they prolong the lifespan of their sports turf surfaces. We have a number of partners here with us today: Labosport, Replay, Fleet Line Markers and Redexim, all to help improve these surfaces and maintain them correctly. We have a wide range of attendees today, from the high-profile sports clubs to the local authorities. That includes Bournemouth Football Club, Reading Football Club, and as I say, the local authorities and the local sports clubs, which is amazing because it allows us to deliver this education across the breadth of the industry as well. There is also some clubs involved which don't have synthetic surfaces yet and are looking towards having them, and this is brilliant because it gives them the opportunity to learn about what they need to do when those surfaces are implemented.
We talked a lot initially about the importance of asking the right questions. So even before you install a synthetic turf pitch, making sure you're asking the right questions so that manufacturers and suppliers of the products are able to actually make sure that they are finding a product that will work for you.
Maintenance is really important on the synthetics. I think it's often overlooked because essentially there's a green thing there. It looks like it should just be as it is, but reality is to get that longevity and performance, it is important it's maintained.
We talked about the equipment, techniques and how to set machinery up for the periods between quarterly renovations by outside contractors. So this is the things that the actual groundsmen need to do themselves in that period between having the outside decompactions. And it's the most important thing really, because that's the time when the players are interacting and experiencing the field itself.
Yeah, I think it's brilliant. Yeah, obviously to meet everybody and network, it's really beneficial for someone like me and for Paul and everyone else here.
Maintenance is absolutely critical, and regular maintenance and not skimping on that in terms of the longevity of the asset, given that it's so expensive.
There's 4 of us in total today we brought here, and they're from varying parts of our levels of our grounds team and from different sites as well. So yeah, we've got someone that's only just started out to someone that's been doing the industry 15 years. So again, because they haven't really done a lot of artificial pitches in the main, it's obviously quite a good day for them to come to. So yeah, hopefully there'll be some more, and then we'll send other groups to them as well.
The one thing I'd like people to take away from this is that they're empowered with their own knowledge to understand what ultimately they need to do. We are a contractor and we maintain pitches. Reality is the best maintenance is done by the on-site staff on a regular basis.
Giving our story one after the other and how they all actually link together. So I think it's been great, and also having the live demonstrations I think as well.
People's biggest fear is marking on a synthetic surface is you could go wrong. On grass, it'll grow out. On a synthetic surface, it's going to stay. It takes, you need a bit of confidence to do it. But with like one of the machines we had today, the Beam Rider, it's a laser guided marker, you can't go wrong. It will only put in a laser straight line. So that takes one of those fears out the way.
There's actually nothing like actually standing there with a machine and saying, well, actually, if you screw it this way, this is going to happen. And this is the effect. And right now, let's take it out and show you what the effect is. Because I think that's what people want to see. They want to be reassured that by speccing a piece of equipment or speccing a maintenance procedure, they're going to get a benefit from it. And people want to see that, which you can only go so far with videos and PowerPoint.
So I love days like this. I think you always learn something. I've learned something from the things inside today, from the presentations Replay did, things like that. I think groundsmen like to be outside, so having obviously the bits we've done, the demonstrations, presentations outside, I think people love that bit because that's where they spend most of their working week, is outside.
Very important to keep, I'd say, grounds persons out and about. I don't think they're very good at sitting down for too long. They're very good at sitting on a machine for very long, but not in an office or obviously a room environment. So yeah, bit indoors, obviously you've got to do that. You've got to look at that educational side of things, then out on the practical side of things. That's what I think keeps the brains working.
It's been great. It's a really relaxed environment. Everyone's welcome. It definitely is education first. It brings together different parts of the industry where we all overlook and interact, but often we're all in the same place at the same time.
I'd say they're brilliant. The quality of the people speaking is excellent in terms of the knowledge, and the way they present is really clear. The fact that it's free of charge is incredible, so thank you to GroundsFest Academy for that. And you're alongside lots of other people with similar challenges doing similar things, so it's really good for networking as well.
I think as a young person to learn about all the best practices and things you can do in your workplace and people you can learn from is really beneficial. Yeah, so I'd recommend it to anybody who wants to learn about new things and progress.